welcome in my kitchen today. Whether it is your first time visiting or you are part of my community, thank you so much for stopping by. I am very grateful. Today's recipe is Achari chicken. Achari chicken is made with spices used in pickles, whether it is mango pickle, chili pickle, carrot pickle, gooseberry pickle, आम का अचार, गाजरों का अचार, मिर्चों का अचार, लहसुनों का अचार. We just love our pickles. And today's recipe is very easy and quick to make. It is usually ready within 30 to 40 minutes. So if you are having a lazy day, don't want to work hard around the hob or the stove, just make this delicious and aromatic achari chicken. Your family will be so much appreciated. Let's get started. And all the spices of how to make your own homemade achari masala is at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Hope you have a good weekend. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.